The BJP has to take a decision on that count. Amit Shah, yes, is one top candidate. He has proven his credentials in UP.
As party president, there's been a lot of speculation that it may not be that smooth sailing for Narendra Modi when it comes to party decision.
No, at this moment, I do not think Advani has any chance, because Modi is riding the wave, and he will not allow Advani to become.
His Karm Bhumi, Uttar Pradesh, is again Modi's adopted state, in the sense he has adopted Varanasi as his own home constituency. So therefore his Karm Bhumi and Janm Bhumi of both these leaders have become the same. Therefore that was one critical point, and that gives the impression that Modi has command over not just the government.
The point is, when you have power with you, you can afford to be very friendly with everyone. That's not an issue. It's only when you become hostile, only when your position becomes insecure. Other people are
What about
threatening.
his
and
critics
nipping
who
at
say
your
that
seats.
his whole platform, what he said, it is a little more complex than that. Even internally, they'll have to do a hard sell with other BJP contenders as well.
See, when Amit Shah was made General Secretary, and when these talks started to make him General Secretary, and then those cases, one of those cases were coming up. And to best of my information, Amit Shah then advised the party president not to take him then, so that otherwise there could be small embarrassment.
You see, the criminal cases, the political parties are very brazen about it. Look at ADR has only brought out the report. How many people, members of parliament elected, have criminal cases against them? So it's not, and I'm sure if they want, that will not be a major factor. They will brazen it out.
See, when the decision on party president will be taken and restructuring of organization will be taken, there is a difference. It's not Rajnath Singh who is going to decide all of this. There is a third player which we are forgetting, that is RSS. And Modi may have his complete say in government formation, some propping, some suggestions here and there from RSS and some other quarters. But when it comes to organizational structure, RSS does have a big say in BJP's decision making.